In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a stunning wedding invitation video using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and search for Facebook video or video to open a video canvas. Next, in the template search bar, type Wedding Invitation Video. Canva will display many ready-made templates designed for wedding invitations. Browse through the templates and choose one that matches the theme of your wedding, such as elegant, romantic, or modern. After selecting a template, it will open in the Canva editor. Now you can begin customizing the design. Click on the text boxes to edit the details. Add the couple's names, wedding date, venue, and any RSVP information. You can also change the fonts, colors, and background to match your wedding theme. To make the invitation more personal, upload your own photos from the Upload section and place them in the design. You can adjust the animations of text and elements to create a smooth and elegant video invitation. Preview the video by clicking the play button to make sure everything looks perfect. When your invitation video is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose MP4 video as the file type so you can easily share the invitation with friends and family on social media or messaging apps.